The chicken hatchery process begins with the careful collection of fertilized eggs from healthy breeder hens. At the farm, these hens are provided with a monitored diet and environment to ensure the production of high-quality eggs. Workers, wearing protective gear, inspect each egg for cracks and abnormalities, selecting only those that meet strict quality standards. This step ensures that only the best eggs move forward, laying the foundation for strong, healthy chicks. Once collected, the eggs are transported in temperature-controlled vehicles to maintain their integrity during the journey to the hatchery. These vehicles are equipped with advanced systems to ensure that the eggs are not exposed to any harmful temperature fluctuations or physical damage during transit. At the hatchery, the eggs are placed in advanced incubators that replicate the natural conditions of a brooding hen. These incubators maintain precise temperature, humidity, and ventilation levels, creating an environment conducive to the proper growth of the embryos. The eggs are gently turned multiple times a day to mimic the actions of a mother hen, ensuring even heat distribution and preventing the embryos from sticking to the shells. Around the 7th day, a process called candling is performed. This involves shining a bright light through each egg to check for the development of the embryo. Non-viable eggs, which may show no signs of development, are carefully removed to ensure optimal conditions for the remaining viable eggs. This meticulous inspection is crucial, as it ensures that resources are focused on healthy embryos that have the best chance of hatching. As the embryos develop, the hatchery staff continuously monitor environmental conditions to maintain stability. Any fluctuations in temperature or humidity can negatively impact development, so advanced automated systems are employed to adjust settings as needed. This technology ensures that the embryos are consistently nurtured under ideal conditions. The attention to detail during incubation reflects the commitment to producing robust and healthy chicks, an essential aspect of the poultry supply chain. After approximately 21 days, the hatching phase begins. Inside specially designed trays, chicks start breaking through their shells. The process, called pipping, is an incredible display of life as the chicks use their beaks to crack the eggshells from the inside. It is a delicate and awe-inspiring moment as life emerges, and the hatchery staff carefully monitor the progress to ensure no complications arise. Once hatched, the chicks are transferred to a warm, safe area where they can rest and dry. This warm environment is essential to their initial adjustment to life outside the egg. Here, they fluff up, gaining the energy they need to prepare for their journey ahead. Once they are ready, each chick undergoes a detailed health check to ensure it is strong, disease-free, and fit for transportation. Hatchery staff are trained to identify signs of weakness or health issues, ensuring that only the healthiest chicks move forward. They are also sorted by gender, a process that can be done manually or with advanced automated systems. Gender sorting is critical, as specific farming operations may require predominantly male or female chicks depending on their intended purpose, such as egg laying or meat production. This sorting process is an intricate step that requires both skill and precision to meet the specific demands of poultry producers. To protect the chicks from common diseases, essential vaccinations are administered using state-of-the-art automated systems. Vaccination is a quick and gentle process that provides lifelong immunity against many serious poultry diseases. In addition to vaccinations, hatcheries often implement biosecurity measures to prevent the introduction and spread of pathogens. These measures include sanitizing equipment, controlling access to the hatchery, and maintaining stringent hygiene protocols. Once vaccinated, the chicks are placed into specially designed shipping crates lined with soft bedding. This bedding ensures comfort and minimizes stress during transportation. The crates are labeled with destination details, and careful measures are taken to prevent overcrowding and provide adequate ventilation. Workers then load the crates onto climate-controlled trucks that maintain stable temperatures and provide the chicks with a comfortable environment during their journey to farms. The process culminates in the delivery of healthy, vibrant chicks to farms, where they will grow and thrive. This entire cycle, from egg collection to the transport of chicks, highlights the dedication, precision, and technological advancements that underpin modern poultry farming. Hatcheries play an indispensable role in the global food supply chain, ensuring a steady and sustainable supply of chickens.